Hey guys!
Hello, everyone! Cheers! What, Kuya Boji? Batibot.
We're in a new,
Studio place. Yeah. For episode 7 ng Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
Yes.
So before we start watching episode 7, tradition, magbasa tayo ng comments.
Yes.
So,
This is coming from Gab5950. Not them edging John for 3 weeks. I agree with you guys. For me, John should have stayed. Ang kalat ng pasabog ni Bench. Part of me thinks that they could have given at least one win to John, who I was rooting for her.
oh my God, same with us, no?
Yeah, super.
Sobrang devastated natin nung na-eliminate si John Fideliaga last episode. They've been really edging her, only for her to not really have that release.
Other comment is coming from Dave Francisco 1818. Sabi niya, it's from Aawitan Kita TV show. I believe sobrang luma na kasi no. And yung reference ng title. Then yung tema is from The Wicked, kaya aawitan kita.
Yeah, that part we kind of get. Yung aawitan kita, hindi. Okay, yeah. This is from Jerome9825. Actually, lagi itong nagko-comment sa videos natin.
Since day one.
Since day one. And hindi siya nakamiss. So, yeah, always complimenting us, always telling us that he or they love us. So, ito, not a different comment. Great review. I love you both and I can't wait for more videos.
Yeah.
And that we will give you, Jerome. Thank you so much, Jerome. Okay, one more. This one is from John Peralta 7436. Ang sabi niya, pwede din naman na foreign reactors are not pandering. Baka di genuinely like Drag Race Philippines. And that I agree with.
Yes.
Kasi I'm such a huge fan of the foreign recappers. And obvious naman na sobrang nai-enjoy talaga nila yung Drag Race Philippines franchise.
Yeah.
So yeah, like parang love na love ko yung mga yun. Ano lang ako, just being picky for no reason.
That's because of the alcohol.
That's because of the alcohol. Tama si John. Okay guys, so those are the comments. And just a reminder, at the end of the episode, we will be sharing our rankings. Kaming dalawa ni John. So stay tuned for that kung mag-iiba pa ulit yung ranking. Now, it's time to watch the episode. Can't wait.
Yes. And this is a makeover challenge.
A makeover challenge?
This is one of my most parang favorite challenges talaga sa Kasi iconic siya. Like yung last season.
Oh, one of the best episodes from last year, no?
Yung Golden Gaze.
Yung Golden Gaze. Ang thing ko lang dito sa makeover challenge, it's being judged arbitrarily all the time. Kasi parang hindi mo alam kung ano pa talaga yung requirement or criteria of what a good makeover is. Kasi sa mga, especially sa ibang franchises like US and UK.
So
let's do it!
Season 3, Episode 7
ng Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
Let's go!
I'm just gonna say this, but
Oh my God!
Have you watched that, Doc?
I did. Watched it.
It kinda left bad taste in my mouth.
I know. Problem there is this what you really think? Or dahil lang nakainom ka kaya medyo cloudy yung perception mo and you're saying all this nasty stuff? Parang, why are you raining on her parade?
Yun nga eh.
Diba?
not everyone is out here hoping for your best at all times.
Yung badaging, I'm so sorry if
To be fair,
na-feel mo may good
this is a competition. So, if you want others to excel and do better than you, then what are you doing here?
Yeah.
Parang you should always be striving for the win, the top placement. Pero siguro minus the malicious comments. Yun yung sabihin ko. Pero yung mindset, I think tama naman si Kiana doon.
Yung strategy niya.
Na parang, I want to always be the best and kayo dapat, below me. Kasi this is a competition That's okay.
The country is officially open. It's time to reach each other to belt.
Reading na ba yan? Reading?
Oh! A reading challenge!
I have a question. Do you have parang a read that you can remember na parang iconic for you?
This is from Season 1 Drag Race Down Under. Etc. kasi is a non-binary individual. And then si Art Simona, turn na niya. Okay. So sabi niya, so this is just me paraphrasing. These are not the exact words. This is not verbatim. Kasi I don't have a good memory, guys. Okay? So just to para remind everybody in the room with us, etc. Pronouns out of drag are they and them. Sabi nga ganun. So, for example, so they haven't won many challenges, so they probably wouldn't be in the finals. It was so funny.
Yeah,
It was
yeah.
sobrang smart.
Oo. Lahat na pinag-isipan niya yung read
Oo.
niya.
And also very timely kasi I think putok na yung non-binary discussions.
Oo,
At
like
that
parang ang
time.
dami nagsasabi na parang it can be confusing for
Yeah,
some
like parang,
people.
this is not grammatically correct.
Yeah, they
Yung mga maraming meme na parang mga B, it's just like parang literally one syllable
Yeah.
that you have to utter
Mhm.
or change in your vocabulary. Why do you have to be so?
Yeah. Tsaka yung discourse doon, parang hindi naman siya mahirap ibigay for the non-binary people. And if they
Yeah.
feel comfortable using those, like, let's give it to them. Kasi yun nga parang that's parang doon sila
Who they
feel
are.
na safe.
Yeah, like parang affirm natin yung mga tao, di ba?
Yes.
Ikaw, ano yung funniest sa'yo?
Hindi ko talaga makalimutan. All-Stars 2, Katya reading Roxy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like yung, I
It's a
remember
good
you
one.
in the morning.
Oh.
Parang especially at the bus stop.
Yeah.
Something like that, di ba? Parang, tama ba?
Yeah, tama yun.
Oo. So let's see.
Let's see.
Ang ating mga kasama for today, Jingling Galiere!
Okay, can I just say,
Mhm.
I guess yung best person na dapat nandito kasi very readable. Joke lang.
Oh my God!
Joke lang po.
Like, napansin mo ba? Like, kino-cover na yung feet niya sa wow, yung pag sa Drag Race Philippines.
Talaga ba? Oh my
kino-cover
goodness.
niya ng logo.
Oh my God. Ano ba? Effort naman para lang dun.
Yeah, doon sa one instance na ni-reach ni Kat Kat.
Yeah, like parang Jilly, dapat hayaan niyo na yun. Like parang, this is you. Like parang becoming relevant again.
The library is open.
Ito naman, ng lecture to, amoy gubat ka, tumalimik.
Master Bench! Wake up, girl! Manalo ka naman! Gago!
Alam to the mga friends ko sa Tagidi Oro, I am not the reading girl.
Ano?
Mami, Ben, umupo ka na. Kasi yung paa mo ang baho.
Diba?
Oh my God, ang laki nga.
Oh
my God, this is so cringe.
Tito, safe puro bottom 3. Ang outfit man kasi.
This is so hard to watch.
Yeah. And this is taking too long.
No, right?
Nick Chanel, kala mo nakaka-L. Tigil-tigilan mo ng pagpapanggap na bakla kang Kenan.
Okay.
Maxi!
They all flop.
Oh my God.
So hard to watch.
Yung ganda mo parang track weights. Masarap pero maasin.
Big Chanel. Anong feeling ng maliit yung mukha tas mahaba yung katawan? Dati ka bang sagwan?
A good read shouldn't make you feel offended. It should make you want to laugh at yourself. And that got me.
Okay.
The winner of today's main challenge is
Maxi.
Maxi!
The bar is really low.
Yeah.
She won for nothing.
Wala talagang winner tonight.
Wala kang winner tonight.
So for today's Maxi challenge, it's time to make over your loved ones. For Angel
Family
Maxi
member?
is your mom.
Ah, so one lang?
Piling ko, kaya nga ni Angel mag-makeover si Mama. Binigay ko si Angel kay Mama, hindi ako ng dalawang isip. Piling ko, mas kailangan ni Angel si Mama this time.
Alam, kapit-bahay!
Ay, tatay! Oh. Tuwa lang ako dito kasi parang look at how parang supportive tong parents anong dalawa sa kanila. Like parang, and alam mo yung walang awkwardness and sobrang open nila about their feelings and their love for their parents. That's what happens kapag minamahal ka at supported ka sa bahay mo.
Yeah.
This is so inspirational.
Next is for Kiana, ang imi-makeover mo, ang iyong mom. Our next loved one na imi-makeover ni Mick Chanel ay
Si Baus.
si Michael. Pasok.
Boyfriend?
Uy!
I say baklas.
Like,
Dalawa baklas.
ano ka siya? Instagram friend.
Ah, okay. Boyfriend?
I don't know.
This is one
Hindi,
of my
friend
home
lang.
girls on my phone.
Next is ang loved one naman ni Popstar Bench. Si Brian! Okay!
Hey! Okay.
yung dancer sa OVAR?
Oo, jowa niya yan.
Tita
Sobrang
Baby.
sweet nila as
Here's
ano.
Joseph.
Talaga? Uy, ito yung gwapo ng boyfriend, Tita Baby.
Hey!
And sino kayong loved one?
Brigadier. Char.
What if?
Si Bomba.
Ah, mama niya. Oo.
Anak mo!
Hey! Okay.
In this makeover challenge, hanapin namin mga judges ang strong family resemblance. Okay? At ang inyong superhero partnership as super queens.
Sending virtual hugs and kisses to you all. Sama po.
Sama po. Ang cute.
That's a soundbite.
Sama po. Sama po. Giving Valerie Vision. Bago ka lang sa ating channel. So before we go into our runway, let's call in our drag connoisseur, Dayang!
So paano ba natin siya tatawagin ngayon?
Kailangan natin siya i-summon.
Isa-summon natin siya. My God.
Using a spell.
Alright. What spell? Is this a special spell?
Yes, kasi tonight, she's a witch.
I'm scared. Okay. Nanay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Oh my God, she's here.
What are you wearing tonight?
I'm wearing Shopee.
Shopee.
Shopee Naka 2 gigs.
I love it.
Shopee, di ba singer yan? Shopee Room. So, what's the runway?
Yep.
Family resemblance.
Uh-huh.
Racers, start your engines. The enemy is the best. Super Queens win!
Let's talk about
Okay,
ako muna, sir.
the Maxi
Ako muna.
Challenge.
Okay, sige. Well, first, siguro with the exception of Zimba, parang afterthought yung outfits na dinala ng Queens here, which is baffling to me, or hindi ko alam kung hindi sila masyadong naging strategic for all the episodes that they are going to be competing with. Kasi this is an easy win sana. Kasi dadalhin mo na lang yung outfit mo at ng makeover mo, right?
You're just going to adjust the size depende sa taong pupunta.
Mm-mm. And makeup na lang, right? Which is also hard, pero still, yung mga pinakita ng 6 out of 7 queens, they're not, I don't like it. So,
So, nagustuhan ko yung kay Maxi. Aside from Zimba, nagustuhan ko yung kay Maxi.
okay.
Kasi she tried something different.
Mhm.
May pa-headdress. Tapos maganda yung outfit mismo.
Mhm.
Yung makeup lang talaga yung, parang hindi yung makeup yung tatay. Si Angel, high safe.
Okay.
Ayun.
Agree.
Saka si Mix safe, silang apat. Pero yung boobs talaga, si ano yung Zimba.
I would actually give Mix a top placement here. Kasi yung makeup nila, hindi ko na makuan na ay, hindi ka pala si Mix. And also yung presentation na parang, I know, like parang, okay, dip. Pero I was still entertained.
Yeah.
Na-appreciate ko yung callback sa chicheria. Kasi favorite ko yung cheese rings na yun.
Filipino chicheria ba yun?
Yes.
Okay.
Kiano, nag-expect ako kay Kiano.
Yeah, I know, right?
Parang this is the first time that I saw Kiana flop in terms of the runway.
Mhm.
Like, it's not giving.
Nag-give naman, pero parang medyo crumbs na. Especially yung first outfit nila. Ang boxy, ang ano. Sana kung mag-reveal ka, yung first outfit pa lang, maganda na.
Hindi yung obvious na parang
Yung
tinatago
afterthought
ka dyan.
lang.
Gets?
Ang hinayin lang ako sa challenge.
Pero I agree with you guys. Gusto ko kay Zimba. Kasi sobrang ganda nung, texture nung feathers. Like, parang siya yung may concept talaga.
Mhm.
And the other queens parang more, like, sabi mo nga, like, it's more like performance outfits.
Uh-huh.
Like, si Zimba lang ata, I think, with the exception of Mix, like, parang siya lang may concept talaga.
Mhm.
And then I also like what, yun nga, I agree with you, Maxi did. Like, sana lang talaga may colors yung parang rings.
Mhm.
Sana yun, may concept yun. And then my bottoms would be, I think, Tita Baby. And then, maybe Bench. Kasi Tita Baby parang sobrang flat nung color. And then sobrang similar na parang I couldn't distinguish yung difference sa outfits nila.
Okay.
Saka bodysuit lang siya nag-silver.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yun lang na may mga plastic lang na nakapato. Yung pwedeng crumpled plastic cover siya na.
Yeah.
As in parang, yun na yun.
I agree dun sa bottom placements. Si Tita Baby, while it's different, which I said earlier, like na-realize ko na parang, oh, what is this? Like parang, I think she was trying to explain while walking. Pero parang, huh?
Hindi siya maganda tignan.
Hindi eh. Tapos, another bottom placement for me though would be Kiana. It's low safe. Like parang hindi rin maganda yung parang chemistry nilang magnanay dun sa
Kasi
stage.
yung backstory nga nila na
They're not that close.
They're not that close.
like
Ooh,
masakit. Oo,
is this a bag of chips and mother kind of thing? Tapos, yung kay Bench, actually okay, ano naman, give naman kahit paano yung outfits. Pero hindi ko lang gets bakit may lasing.
Enga.
Enga
Enga
kasi.
kasi
Ay, puta, hindi ko lang pala gets yung reference. Anong enga? B?
Enga is like parang,
Parang
your
bangingi.
maoy. Yeah.
Bangingi. Parang bangingi.
Tapos sino yung isa? Sino si Bench?
Engo? Engo ba?
Inga,
Enga.
babae.
Puta, okay. So umiinom din siya.
Pero, ayun, bottom ko, si Bench saka si Tita Baby.
Okay.
With Kiana for low.
Low.
Kasi yung pangalawang outfit medyo okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero super off talaga yung outfit ni Tita Baby. Sobrang ano to.
Overall, the runways are not that good. Parang this is the first time in this season na the queens did not deliver as
I know.
like, kasi parang Snatch Game, Rusical,
Uh-huh.
Acting Challenge, like they have been delivering. Pero with this specific challenge, I feel like most of them played it safe.
Yeah, they did.
Favorite ko pa rin yung season 2 na makeover.
Oh,
Of
yes.
course.
We were just talking about it earlier. Parang, oh my God. Like, parang may itatop yung Golden Gaze na makeover.
Kumbaga,
Right.
yung girl group season 1.
Mhm.
Season 2 is the makeover. Season 3 is Snatch Game.
Yes.
Well, at least meron silang kanya-kanya nilang mga...
That's true.
Threads.
Mhm.
And me and Ray are talking about earlier na parang they could have got like parang mga other people aside from their family.
Members. Like parang this challenge, since ang dami ng iteration, it calls for something different. Kahit sabihin mo ng gimmicky, it calls for a gimmick. And also para mas ma-expose pa yung viewers sa mga iba't ibang klaseng communities like yung Golden Gaze.
Kasi di ba season 1, meron lang ng family.
Mhm.
Di ba? So parang sana iba naman. Like for example, mga police,
Mga ganun.
or mga super fans ng Drag Race Philippines.
Out of school youth, na LGBT, mga ganung
Oo.
stuff.
Oh, like
Mga
yung
baby drag queens.
baby drag queens. I wish that they could have parang conceptualized more than that.
Ako hindi ko tinitrivialize yung ano like yung like parang different parts of the LGBT community para ma-showcase o maging entertaining yung show. Like for example, yung sinabi natin kanina, Golden Gaze, Out of School Youth, and Eme. Pero like parang this is an educational platform din kasi for many gays, LGBTQ plus individuals, and even straight allies. Para malaman kung ano yung iba't ibang uri ng baklang individual dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes.
And now, let's talk about yung clear winner.
I feel like Zimba.
Zimba's gonna take this eh.
Pero kung hindi si Zimba, sino?
Mix probably.
Or Max.
Maxi. Yung kay Maxi
Sa
kasi
makeup talaga ako nawala sa Amats.
ang ganda ng outfit eh. Pero ang ganda ng outfit ni
Ganda ng
Maxi.
air-
Parang afterthought si tatay.
Okay.
Like parang hindi rin ganun kasing bongga yung outfit niya katulad ng kay Maxi.
Exactly. Afterthought.
Mm-mm. Tapos, yeah, Zimba yung wing piece, like parang yung paandar sa umpisa na parang, oh, nagluwal ako ng egg. Ganyan, yeah. Oops. Ganyan. Tapos parang ang ganda ng movement ng wing piece dun sa, sa runway.
Tapos kung hindi si Zimba, to medyo
Tingin mo sino?
maiinis ako kung hindi si Zimba.
Oo, B.
Like, halatang pinaproduce na ito ng production if hindi si Simba yung nanalo dito.
Not to be a Kiana in on top na parang di mo deserve manalo.
Uh-huh.
Pero Zimba, for me it's clear si Zimba ang nanalo.
Yeah.
Genuinely walang naramdaman ko sa presentation.
Tama yung ulit.
How do you feel? Ano pa pakiramdam ninyo? Napakaganda po rin ito.
Kaya naman ko ng mga audience natin, di ba pam-pam?
Pasalamat ako dahil yung anak ko, parehas na kami drag queen.
B, sorry, akala ko pareho na kami may keto. Puta ka lang sa swali, pero akala ko yung sabihin niya. Okay, anyway.
Cancel eh.
No, sorry.
Pangalawa na yun, di ba?
There's nothing wrong with that. By the way, Char, akala ko
Pagkata dami sa inyo, niyeta kayo Nakasimula ko pa lang sa karir ko sa drag. Yung tuyo ng buko doon dahil sa inyo.
dark lang po yung humor ko, I'm sorry.
Ay, ang cute.
Okay, pakita naman natin yung makeover dance natin. Again, time to perform. Yay! What if mag-tag tayo? Go! Binakaano lang ang baso, hindi pwede.
Kapag sa kapatid mo.
Okay. Before Dayang leaves, kailangan mo kaming tulungan kasi this is a very hard one
Yes.
to rank. Help us out.
Bottom to top. So,
Okay.
7th ko is my very lovely ate, Popstar Bench. Oh. Wala, love ko si Bench noon pa, pero kasi feel ko talaga
This is our time.
it's her time to kasi in remaining queen kasi talaga sobrang lakas na eh.
Yeah.
And the cast overall, malakas talaga siya. So, ayun, 7th si Bench. 6th si Angel. Although may isang win na siya, her run has been less than stellar aside from the win kasi.
Yeah.
So, ayun, 6th si Angel. 5th si Zemba kasi I'm loving her redemption. And yung performance na this episode, she deserves the win. So, kung hindi, para mag-subscribe na ka sa Wapers. Hindi, pero ayun. 5th si Zemba Ding. 4th ko si Mix Chanel. Kasi I'm loving her. Pataas siya eh. Yeah. Next si Tita Baby sa 3rd. Pati second ko siya. Pati bumaba siya dahil sa performance niya this episode. Second si Kiana. Kasi 1 ko siya eh. Pero bumaba siya ng isa.
Okay.
Dahil medyo low safe siya sa akin. Tapos number 1, si Maxi consistent kasi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Magaling eh.
I think you have given us a lot to think about.
Nahihirapan din po ako. Sino ba naman po kasi kami para maghusga sa mga drag queen?
Yes, I mean, kami ni John drag enjoyers lang.
Ako ay baby drag queen pa lang din. Thank you sa support niyo pala. Tapos, of course, I'll be here next week din ulit.
Yes.
Ayan. So, in honor of megastar Sharon Cuneta,
And Sherry Hill.
Sherry Hill.
Yes.
Dialogues sa pelikulang.
between Walang Ningning, this is how we gonna exit Dayang. You're nothing but a second rate.
Trying hard!
Copycat!
Okay. Give na give tayo.
So, let's see.
Let's see.
My Queen Alinas. Welcome back, ladies.
Let's go, Zimba. You
Zimba
got
Lee.
this.
My God.
Congratulations.
Brazil.
Huh? What?
That means
What the hell?
congratulations.
Huh?
You can see the favoritism. I don't agree with this one.
Rigamores, no?
Yeah, kasi, girl, the outfit of Zimba is giving.
She has the story. She has the looks. She has a presentation. Like parang why didn't you just give it to her? Alam mo yun? Like parang lagyan niyo naman ng isa pang contender yung show. Like parang feeling ko naiiwan kayo kay Maxi and kay
Kiana.
Kay Kiana. Like parang put more horses in the race so that it's exciting. Not to mention, this is unfair.
Let the
My
queens
God.
win based on how they perform.
Like parang it's not even close din kasi eh.
Yeah.
Like parang this is Zimba and this is the rest of the queens.
Angel. Safe ka, Ina.
Okay.
Kiana and Bench are in the bottom.
Yes.
Both super ingo.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
That means Iana. And
Nakikita mo talaga kung gaano i-favor nung production yung magkapatid.
Oo nga. This has been a stellar season. Why ruin it?
Ang ayoko sa mga hindi discreet eh.
Patakin mo. Uy.
And sing yourself proud.
At least give us a good song.
Yeah.
Right.
Tapos sumukol song pa. No?
Let's not manifest
For
that.
you,
Oh.
this.
So, who do you feel is gonna win the lip sync tonight?
To be honest, I think kay Bench to.
Okay?
But I highly doubt it kung papakawalan nila si Kiana. Ikaw.
Based on how they judge the season so far, Maxi getting the win tonight. Naka.
Gregory.
Gregory. I want Kiana to win. I'm hoping that Kiana would win the lip sync. Kasi she's been delivering
Yeah.
this past
She
few
has been.
weeks and past few diba, episodes. And sobrang equal lang daw sino lip sync. Like, walang stand out
Okay.
to stand out. So, I would give this to Kiana based on the track record.
Yeah. Yeah, I see your argument here.
So, let's see.
Kiana with a K. Shantae States. You mentioned the other team. Popstar Bench.
Damn.
You are 2-star bench. Now sa Shale.
Gusto ko yung Grace na dadun pa rin
Before I
sa
leave the stage, I want to thank you all.
Damn.
Thank you for this opportunity. Hindi ko man naipakita masyado si Popstar Bench, but I will show you sa labas.
Yes.
Simula ngayon, kung ano nararamdaman ko, mas pipiliin ko ngayon. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Hindi siya kabawasan sa kagalingan mo as a drag artist. No?
Kailangan din siya kabawasan sa season na to. Sa season na to. So, what are your thoughts on this episode?
Absolute rigomoris. I did not like this episode at all. I think I would even consider this the worst across 3 seasons of PH. Kasi sobrang obvious ng production maneuvering. They didn't even do a good job at hiding it in the edit.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun? Like, parang girls, come on, this is so amateur, yung heavy-handed manipulation or maneuvers in here.
Zimba Deng is a clear winner for this episode. Like, if they want Maxi to win the whole season, they shouldn't feed that to us. Parang kailangan natin makita yun.
Yeah.
Pero with this episode, Zimba did really good.
Yeah.
Girl, we have eyes. Nakasalamin ako
Yeah.
pero may mata kami.
This is a major step back for me this season.
Yeah.
And tawag dito yung sa bottom placements. Tama si Kiana na nandoon, but I would put Tita Baby or Angel there. Bench has been flopping. Like parang the past several episodes. Pero I think deserving save this episode, to be honest.
Yeah. The fuck?
Alright.
Anyway, so do you want to talk about our rankings?
Yeah. It's very hard to rank.
Yeah.
Given what happened. Feeling ko ang unfair ng judging, especially this episode. And you know what, like, parang ina-affect nga yung personal biases ko.
My 6th place would be Tita Baby. 5th place would be Angel. 4th place, Mick Chanel. 3rd place would be Maxi. I don't think that Maxi deserves the win this episode. I mean, she did good, but I don't feel like that she deserves the win. My 2nd place would be Kiana. I know that she's been in the bottom this episode, but I still have a personal bias with her, and I don't know if that's logical or whatnot. But I still put her in my 2nd place. And then I put Simba in my 1st place because she won this episode, to be honest. Like, let us know in the comment section below. I know that you would agree that Zimba did really well and that it should have been a back-to-back win. So, how about yours?
Agree. 6th place, Tita Baby. 5th place, Angel. 4th place, Mick Chanel. Si Kiana, bumaba siya sa akin from 1st to 3rd because deservingly nasa bottom siya ngayon. And I'm not sure kung naka-affect ba yung antak moment last episode. But anyway, yeah. Pero besides the point, she's still in the top 3 kasi consistent naman si Akla the past couple of weeks. 2nd place, Maxi did better this episode than Kiana. Yeah, pero she does not deserve yung win for this episode talaga. And number 1 si Zimba Deng kasi siya dapat yung nanalo this episode and she has been killing it. Especially yung last episode ng Rusical where she won. And yeah, like parang I'm kind of endeared with her frontrunner but at the same time parang underdog story kasi parang minamaliit siya ng ibang competitors niya, right? So, ni Kiana. Anyway, so yeah. So kaya number 1 siya sa akin.
Final thoughts about the episode.
I would rate this the lowest episode across Drag Race PH season. Kasi sobrang obvious ang favoritism. and production fails sa editing part na hindi nyo man lang tinago, come on guys. I hope makabawi sila next week. Ikaw, what do you think of this episode?
Yeah, I hate it. Kasi from the reading challenge, from the Maxi challenge, like, they're literally favoring Maxi to win. Ano naman na parang Drag Race is a reality
Heavily
television-
produced
yes,
reality show, yeah.
reality TV show first before like a competition. Pero like, for this episode, this is supposed to be Zempa. So, fuck, I don't agree. Like,
Yeah.
Nakakatikim
talaga
ako.
kayo. Naging violent. Anyway, ano tayo, iwasan na tayo. Kalma na tayo. Okay.
Kalma na tayo.
Kalma, okay. Yeah, let's wrap up.
Yeah.
This has been an episode.
Like, subscribe, comment, and nga, abangan nyo kami sa finale kasi we'll be doing something big. Like,
We're doing something big.
like we're planning it.
Mhm.
I hope we can pull it off. Like,
Sana.
abangan natin. So,
This is Ray.
and I am John with a J, your drag nerd for Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
Hey, come on, hand movements.
And
Bye-bye.
bye-bye!
See you next week.
Thank you!